Do you know there's an e-bike feature you may never have heard of, but can't live without? It's not your average e-bike. That is a fact. There is something special here. And the Orbea Diem 30 changes the game. It's not because of its sleekness form, with almost no welds exposed, or the lightness and power of its mid-drive motor, but this 2025 commuter e-bike is setting standards for something new and something old in e-bike design. But that's just the beginning. Stick around as we dive deep into this award-winning e-bike and find out if it's the best urban commuter of the year. Orbea is famous for its high-performance road and mountain bikes, but then they brought that expertise to city commuting with the Diem series. The results? This e-bike has already won major design awards at the IF Design and Red Dot festivals, and was named Product of the Year at Cycling World Europe. Europeans like and know a good e-bike, and so do we. So what makes it special? The Diem boasts a modern streamlined frame, and thanks to its integrated battery and internal cable routing, it looks as clean as it rides. With 4 sizes available from small to extra large, it fits riders from 5'2" to 6'9". You also get to choose from 3 color options, green, white, and gray. The Diamond Glide frame technology absorbs road shocks for a smoother ride. Additionally, the spin block system prevents the handlebars from turning too far, making it easier to control, especially when using a front rack. The low-slung frame also makes mounting and dismounting effortless, which is perfect for city stops and starts. Let's talk about the feature that sets the Diem apart, its lights. Unlike most e-bikes that rely on dim bolt-on lights, the Orbea Diem comes with powerful integrated front and rear lights that enhance both safety and aesthetics. Daytime running lights keep you visible, even in broad daylight. The wide, even beam projection illuminates the road ahead like a premium car headlight. No need for aftermarket lights. They're built into the bike's frame for a sleek, high-end look. During my test rides, these lights made night riding significantly safer. Whether I was cycling through a dimly lit tunnel or dodging city traffic after sunset, I always felt visible and secure. Now let's talk power. The Diem lineup features Shimano's EP motor platform. The Diem 30 and 20 use the EP 600 motor. The top-tier Diem 10 packs the flagship EP 8 motor, pushing 85 nanometers of torque, ideal for tackling steep hills with ease. The Diem 30 comes with a 540-watt battery with an optional 252-watt range extender. Hey, if you like what you're watching, please use the rule of 3. Like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps, thanks. Max advertised range 70 miles, though real-life conditions will vary. 3 assist levels so you can fine-tune your ride. On the road, the Shimano Q's U4000 9-speed drivetrain and belt drive system make shifting smooth and nearly silent, while the wide, puncture-resistant tires offer excellent grip and comfort. Maneuverability? Fantastic. Despite its 50.7 pounds or 23 kg of weight, the Diem felt stable and responsive, though I had to adjust to the wide handlebars when navigating tighter city streets. I put the Diem 30 through a real-world commute test 16 miles round trip. The result? Only 25% battery usage, so meaning I could go multiple days without recharging. The USB-C charging port on the bike lets you charge your phone on the go, a lifesaver for navigation and long rides. The integrated phone mount was convenient, though its placement was a little low for optimal viewing. The Diem is built for utility as much as style. The rear rack supports up to 44 pounds, which is great for groceries or a child seat. An optional front rack and trailer adapter add even more cargo capacity. Fenders and rear rack come standard, while the front rack is standard on the Diem 10, but optional on the other models. How does the Diem compare to other e-bikes? If you're looking for cheaper options, here are some alternatives. Ride One Up Tourist, a budget-friendly e-bike with a Shimano drivetrain starting at $1,295. Charge Bikes City, more apartment-friendly with foldable handlebars and pedals, priced at $1,799. Go Cycle G4i, a lighter, foldable e-bike in the same price range as the Diem, weighing just 36.2 pounds, but none of these match the Orbea Diem's combination of premium lighting, design, and power. So, is the Orbea Diem the best commuter e-bike of 2025? Pros: sleek, award-winning design, best-in-class integrated lighting, powerful Shimano motor options, reliable range and battery life, high cargo capacity and accessories, Cons heavier than some competitors. Handlebar width takes getting used to. Premium price tag. If you're after a high-quality, powerful, and stylish commuter e-bike, the Orbea Diem is absolutely worth considering. The integrated lights alone set it apart from the competition, and the overall ride experience is top-notch. Would I use this as my daily ride? Absolutely. But what do you think? Is this the best city e-bike of 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this review, hit that like and subscribe for more in-depth e-bike content.